In today's video, I'm going to convert my custom market structure TradingView indicator into a MetaTrader 5 indicator using AI. For this, I'll be using Claude AI to help me convert the code. Since I do most of my trading on MetaTrader 5, having my analysis and custom indicator running separately on TradingView while executing trades on MT5 can become a bit of a hassle. I'm constantly moving back and forth between the two platforms, and in some cases, using two screens just to keep everything visible. So instead, I want to see if I can take the custom indicator I've already built in TradingView and get it running directly inside MetaTrader 5. That way, I can have my analysis and execution in one place. And who doesn't want fewer screens to look at? If you'd like to understand how my custom market structure indicator works and how I created it, I already have a separate video about it on my channel. The main challenge here is that my indicator is written in Pine Script, which is the language used by TradingView, while MetaTrader 5 uses MQL5. I don't personally want to manually rewrite the entire indicator and deal with all the differences between the two languages, so I'm going to use Claude AI to help me with the conversion. Let's see how it goes. To begin, I'm going to TradingView and loading my custom market structure indicator onto my chart. In the top left corner of the chart, I can see the indicator name. I'll hover over it and click the source code icon, represented by the curly brackets, to open the Pine Script editor. From here, I'm going to select the entire Pine Script source code and copy it. I'll also save a copy in a temporary text document just as a backup before making any changes. Now I'll open my browser, go to Claude AI, and start a new chat. Rather than simply asking Claude to convert the code, I'm going to give it a more specific prompt so it understands exactly what I need. I'll type, "Convert the following Pine Script market structure indicator into a native MetaTrader 5 custom indicator written in MQL5. Ensure all Pine Script plot calls, series arrays, and historical bar references are translated into proper MQL5 indicator buffers, preprocessor directives, and the on-calculate event handler." Underneath that prompt, I'll paste the Pine Script code for my indicator and send it. Claude will now analyze my existing Pine Script logic and generate an MQL5 version of the code that I can test inside MetaTrader 5. Once Claude has finished generating the code, I'll switch over to MetaTrader 5. Now I need to place this code inside the directory where my MetaTrader installation stores custom indicators. I'll click File in the top menu and select Open Data Folder. This opens the MetaTrader data directory in Windows File Explorer. From here, I'll open the MQL5 folder and then go into the Indicators folder. Inside the Indicators folder, I'll right-click and create a new text document. I'm going to name mine Market Structure. There's one important thing I need to change here. Instead of leaving this as a standard .txt file, I'm going to change the file extension to .mq5. If Windows isn't showing file extensions, I can enable file name extensions from the view settings first. Also note, Claude also provides a direct downloadable file which you can save directly to the folder. Now MetaTrader needs the .mq5 extension to recognize this as MQL5 source code. With the file created, I'll return to MetaTrader 5 and open MetaEditor. I can do that by clicking the IDE icon in the toolbar or simply pressing F4. Inside MetaEditor, I'll look at the Navigator panel on the left, expand the Indicators folder, and find the new market structure file I just created. I'll double-click it to open the file in the editor. Now I'll take the MQL5 code Claude generated for me, paste it into this file, and try compiling it by pressing F7. At this point, I'm not necessarily expecting everything to work perfectly on the first attempt. Pine Script and MQL5 handle things like arrays, historical bars, indicator buffers, and calculations differently, so an AI-generated conversion can still produce compilation errors. If I get any errors, I'll copy the error messages from the toolbox at the bottom of MetaEditor, including the relevant line numbers, and take them back to Claude to fix that. We won't go through that in this video because I have already taken care of that. It's simple. Just tell Claude, "I received these compilation errors in MetaEditor when trying to compile the MQL5 code. Please fix the code to resolve these errors while preserving the original market structure logic." If there are still errors, I'll repeat the same process. I'll keep feeding the compiler errors back into Claude, updating the code, and compiling again until MetaEditor shows 0 errors. Once the code compiles successfully, I'll switch back to MetaTrader 5 and open the Navigator panel using Ctrl+N. I'll expand indicators, find my newly created market structure indicator, and drag it onto the chart. Now comes the important part, checking whether the converted indicator actually behaves like my original TradingView version. I'll compare what I'm seeing in MetaTrader with my original indicator in TradingView and check whether the market structure lines, swing points, break of structure labels, and other elements are appearing where I expect them to. A successful compilation doesn't necessarily mean the conversion is perfect. If something is plotting incorrectly or the logic doesn't match my original indicator, I can go back to Claude, explain what's different, and continue refining the MQL5 code. But once everything is working correctly, I've essentially taken my own Pine Script indicator from TradingView and recreated it for my MetaTrader 5 setup without having to manually rewrite the entire indicator in MQL5. And that's exactly what I wanted to achieve, my custom market structure analysis running directly inside the same platform where I execute my trades, without constantly switching between TradingView and MetaTrader. Also, just like any other stuff that I do on my channel, this indicator is available for you to use freely. I have made this code available for free on GitHub. The link would be in the description and my bio. You can simply head over there and set this indicator for yourself using the steps in the video. Maybe next I can attempt to use this indicator logic and turn it into an expert advisor. Wouldn't that be amazing? But that's a thought for the future. Let me know in the comments if you would like that. For now, let's wrap up this video. I want to hear from you. If you're experimenting with converting your own Pine Script indicators into MetaTrader 5 using AI, let me know in the comments how your conversion went and what problems you ran into. Until the next time, happy trading and keep experimenting. I will see you in the next one.